today it is also a snow day. Oh, I guess this is all the same for last one. Yeah, so Ipsy is here. Last month they started that thing where, there we go, where you could, I think on the 23rd or the 24th of October, you could pick one of your items and then they would design your bag after the item you picked out. Well, I guess that was like the only day you could do it because I missed my chance to do that. So I have no idea what's in the bag this month. Oh, it feels nice though. So hopefully, oh, okay, well, I don't like animal print. Like, it feels nice, but I am not digging that print. It's not like too over the top. Anyway, yeah, so I missed my chance to pick an item out of this bag. Which, you know, it's that like faux leather, so it feels good, but it's animal print. I liked animal print for the whole of like a year in my youth, and I kind of like this coppery brown, but yeah, so anyway, I missed my chance to pick an item. So I've got no idea what's going to be in this bag, but if they're doing that again, I'm going to try and get it this month. Okay, so let's get festive. Okay, no, wild side. There we go. It's like festive is not the theme. It's wild side. Let's see. Okay, so the 25th is the day that you get to pick your item. Oh, there's a 6-item mystery bag on the 29th. Not sure I'm interested in that or in the add-ons. I am just interested in the choice day. So I'm just going to set this aside so I don't see beforehand what's in here. Oh, I zipped it. Whoops. Okay. So lining is, oh, the lining is that like brown. Cool. So the lining really matches. I can't stand animal print. Alright, so first item is a face mask. Cool. Blackhead's no fun, but removing them can be, yeah, so I'm assuming this is just like a peel mask. I'm just gonna sneak this over here. So allow mask to completely dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then gently and slowly peel off. So it is a peel off mask from Grace and Stella. Good start. I always love face masks. This feels suspicious. Oh, it's a lipstick. Okay, not suspicious anymore. Hola Neon. This is in Call Me. Okay, so it's not really like a neon shade. Tinted lip balm. That's even better. Okay, cool. Easy to open. I like the packaging. I was a little bit worried it was going to be a nail polish. You know, like I have room to be worried about nail polishes. But a tinted lip balm. This looks like a good color. I'm just gonna see a little bit. That's not bad. It's a little more like orangey on me. I don't know if I can show you, but it's not quite an orange shade. It's like a brown neutral shade. So hopefully that works out. It's just the season of lip balms and lip glosses. Swipe that off. Cool. Alright, so next item is Crushed. It's another Murad product. What is this? This looks like a moisturizer, so it's a lotion. What did you need this giant box for? So not only did the box get crushed, it got crushed literally on the corner where the product was. Yeah, this is unnecessary. And it's a tiny little sample of, yeah, so face moisturizer. I did get a face wash from them, and it actually ended up being pretty good. It wasn't too harsh on my skin, which is sometimes a rarity. So I got a lot more of the facial wash though than I did of this, so that kind of figures. But yeah, it's whatever. Oh, there's 2 more items. We'll leave the bubble wrap one for last. Okay, so we have a blush, we have a lip balm, a blush. So if the last item's an eyeshadow, technically I consider that full face. So this is a blush. Here we go, a little note for anybody who may be interested. But yeah, so the blush is in Pride. Yeah, see, that's a better product to box packaging ratio. Like it fills the whole thing. Oh, that looks cool. I like the container. The container feels really nice. And just see the MAC. And oh, it did not sound nice. Oh, yep, there's the blush. That is. That's blush. Comes with a mirror, that's cool. I'm just gonna do a little bit. It doesn't feel good. It feels kind of chalky, but that could just be because, you know, we have snow. So like everything is it's really cold. It's really shiny. That is super shiny blush. Okay, I don't know. So I like the packaging. The color looks good, but that's really shiny for blush for me. So I'm not sure that I will get a lot of use out of it. But I mean, otherwise, I really, really like the packaging. It just could be that I like the way that it feels. Okay, so last item. Just do this in some sort of order. And what we already have, last item is, it's a Pixi product. I love these. I've only gotten a blush and a contour, I think, from them. So awesome. This looks like eyeshadow. Actually, I'm realizing I think I got a little like tonic water sample too, which was really nice. Get it? There we go. And yeah, that looks like really nice colors. Let's just see here. Mesmerizing Mineral Duo. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. In Mineral Bronze. So I'm assuming that's bronze and the other one is mineral. Yeah, so this looks like eyeshadow. Does not say that, but there we go. Just pop that open. So this is a really shiny bag this month. Like literally all three of these were shiny. I like mattes a lot, but I do really like these two colors. So just do little bits of each. Oh, that's really, whoops, to be gentle. Cool. We'll just do that. Wow, that looks so cool. Okay, so let's do this one. Sorry for knocking the camera. Yeah, I like those. See, I don't mind when there's a bit of a shine on eyeshadow, but I don't want the rest of my face to be shiny. But yeah, those are nice. I like that. Cool. So very suitable for the theme, I guess, which, you know, again, I really don't like animal print. I've not seen it used in a way that like I can be down for. But the bag feels nice otherwise. I do like the little suede faux, I'm assuming it's faux suede, tassel. But yeah, so not a bad bag. I got, you know, technically got a full face because I got the eyeshadow, blush, and a lip balm. I think this is what that was. I'm just gonna check this now that I've seen everything. Yeah, lip balm. You know, and then I've got a face mask, which I always love. I mean, could do without this because, like, the face wash was okay, but it's just not a product that I see myself, you know, being invested in later. But otherwise, I mean, pretty good bag. A little bit shiny. Can't get behind the animal print. But also really like what I got. you know, because that, like, I mean, those look like full-size samples, which is always a perk. Let's just do this, hide that bag. But yeah, so hopefully everybody got good bags this month. I think some of this will be great for, you know, Turkey Day this year. But there we go.